chest. Sit up straight and draw your tongue to the very bottom of your mouth. Notice that it's actually a bit hard to breathe. Now lean your head forward like a shin. It's easier to breathe, right? The secret is out. Your tongue position literally dictates your breathing pattern, which in turn reshapes your posture. But not just the posture. Research proves that the tongue training strengthens the facial muscles to fight gravity. The tongue is your initial anti-age switch. So today, let's do the tongue training together.
Move 1. Tongue weight lifting. Place your tongue tip on the outside of your lower teeth. Now press your hand firmly against your chin. Use your tongue to push against that resistance, like you are trying to move your hand. This is literally gym day for your jawline. Move 2. The root press. Place the tip of your tongue behind your lower teeth. Then force the back of your tongue up against the palate. This targets the deep tongue root. Everyone knows moving, but if the back muscle of your tongue is weak, you can't do moving. Move 3. Up tooth sweeps. Place your tongue tip on the outside of your upper teeth. Glide it slowly from left to right. Keep your mouth steady. Don't let mouth corners drop. Move 4. Cheek slice. Simply slide your tongue up and down the inside of your cheeks. Switch to the other side.